Okay, boys and girls, we are Mathematics Part 2. You should be on page 249. Let's go. Here's my book. You got yours. It says Tamara has 7 digital clocks in her house and only 2 circular or analog clocks. Well, let's draw the 7 digital clocks. Okay, let's circle them. I should say let's make a rectangle tape. Up here, let's put D for digital. And it says she has 2 analog. 1, 2. Let's put a tape around it. Put A for analog. Easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, good. Now it says how many fewer clocks, circular clocks, does Tamara have than digital clocks? Interesting. Well, I would say this. She's got 7 digital, that we know. What we could do is this. We could go ahead and we could cross out. Of course, we can also do a problem. Let's go ahead and put it this way. How about if we do it this way? Let's make it 7 take away 2. And let's take away 2 digital clocks. 1, 2. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And your answer is 5. She has 5 fewer digital clocks than, analog clocks than digital, okay? She has 7 digital, she has 2 analog, so we took the 7 and we subtracted 2 because that's how many analogs she has. We subtracted it from the digital and we got 5 left over. Number bond, 7, 5, 2. Very easy. Okay, there it is. Now it's time to go. And let's get down to brass tacks. Match the clocks to the times on the right. Interesting. Okay. Remember what we said? Hour hand is almost on the 2. It's not on the 3 yet. Not yet. So we say it's still at the 2. Oh, this is on 6. What did we say? This represents 30. Correct? That represents 30. So it is 2:30. And there she'd be right there. Is there another 2:30? Oh yeah, there is. 2:30, go. Next one. It's the hour hand is still with the 5. It's not with the 6 yet. So we say it's still with the 5. And we said the minute hand is on the 6. That represents 30. So it's still 5:30. And there it is there. Oh, look what this says. 5:30. Well, guess what? That's true. Because if the hand is here, the minute hand, it's only gone halfway. If it goes full, it goes all the way this way. So it only gone half, so we can also say 5:30. It's the same thing. They tried to trick us. Last one. Minute hand's on the 6. That stands for 30. The hour hand is not yet with the 1. Not yet. So we still say it's with the 12. 12:30. Oh, there it is right there. And what do we say? The minute hand has only gone halfway down the face. So we can say it is 12:30. And there you go. Okay, very good. Now, next ones. It says draw the minute hand so the clock shows the time written above it. So you're going to do this by yourselves. You're going to draw the minute hand where it belongs. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 7:30, 1:30. 2:30, and 2 o'clock. Okay? Press stop. When you're ready, press go again. Okay, that's it. I'm going to be waiting here. You got to do it now. Go. Okay, finished. Let's do it. 7 o'clock, it should be like this. Did you get that? I think you did. 8 o'clock, very easy. It's got to be like this. 7:30, that's half past. I go just like that. Did you get that? We talked about that. Okay, pretty good. Next one, 1:30. Again, the 6 represents, the 6 represents 30 minutes. Okay, 2:20 again, the 6 represents 30 minutes. And the last one, 2 o'clock, that's easy. The 12 equals 00 or o'clock. And there you go, 2 o'clock. There was even a film called Johnny O'Clock from, I think, 1947. And that was his last name in the film. There you go. Okay, next one. Get up there. Okay. Now, what do we got here? Write the time shown on each clock. Complete problems like the first 2 examples. 3:30. There it is. 5:30. Easy. Okay, so basically I want you to go ahead. If it's an analog clock, a round one, write it like this with the 2 dots. If it's a digital clock, you're not going to do that. You're going to write it out in words. 5:30. You got it? Easy. Okay, you go ahead, press stop. When you're ready, press play again. I'll be here waiting. We're going to correct it together, but you do it first. Go. Okay, I guess it's that time. Let's do it. What do you got? You got 11:30. Easy. Next one. It says right there, 12:30. Hello. There you go. Next one. Little hand 2. Big hand on 12. O'clock. 2 o'clock. There you go. Next one. Little hand is not with the 9 yet. It's still with the 8. And the big hand's on the 6. That's 30. It is 8:30. Easy. Next one. Little hand, the hour hand is still with the 10. It has not reached the 11 yet, so we still say 10. Minute, big hands on the 6. That means 30. 10:30. Okay, H. Both on 6. It is 6:30. Okay, next one. Little hands on 7. Big hands on 12. That means 00, no minutes after the hour. Exactly 7 o'clock on the head. Next one. It says 7:30. So let's write it. Okay, I got to write it this way, sorry. 7:30. There you go. Did you get that one? Hopefully you did. Next one. It's still with the 4. 4:30. And the last one here, come on, it says 10:30. Let me write it the proper way. 10:30. And there you go. Very easy. Okay, now the last ones, let's take a look at these 3 right here. It says circle the clock that shows 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock. I'm going to count to 0. By the time I say 0, I want you to go ahead and have that circled. The clock that says 12 o'clock. Get ready. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, to tell the truth, are you half past 12 o'clock? You say you are. I'm not sure if that's true. Are you half past 12 o'clock? You say you are. I'm not sure. Are you half past 12 o'clock? You say you are. Well, I think, Ralph, that to tell the truth, the correct clock is that one. Why? Because 12:30 is another way of saying half past 12. Did you get it? Man, I hope so. Okay. Do I need to introduce this one? What's it called? Well, okay, if you said Exodus, that's true, but actually it's called the exit ticket. Do this on your own, have an adult check it, and it says, draw the minute hand so the clock shows the time written above it. I want this one to say 9:30, and I want this one to say 3:30. And then here, I want you to write the correct time on the line. And I'll put 2 dots right here. Okay? There you go. So, again on this one, I need you to draw the minute hand so that it says 9:30, 3:30, and then whatever this says, boom, 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 write the time there. I don't think that's hard. Okay, boys and girls, have a good time doing math, and again, have somebody who's an adult, or at least someone who looks like an adult, do it for you. Okay? That's it, basically. Time to go.